OMIS 351, Procedures and Logistics, otherwise known as How to Succeed in OMIS 351. You should expect that you can succeed. Most important is the course website. You can get it at chuckdowning.com and then pick OMIS 351. It is also linked within Blackboard. Most of the work in the course will be linked from the schedule on the course website. Participation quizzes and quizzes will be within Blackboard. So we will use both of those platforms for you to succeed. Look around the website. Take time to look around. So when you click on chuckdowning.com and then OMIS 351, you will see something like this. Click on this course schedule and you will see something like this. There's videos linked here. It directs you to the quizzes in Blackboard. And over here, not shown on the left, is the dates, which will change depending on what semester you're in the class. But if you don't go clicking around, both here and here, you're going to miss something. You do not want to miss opportunities for credit or free questions on the final exam or whatever those opportunities are. So always check the website. From a communication standpoint, make sure your email address gets forwarded. If you have a different one, a Gmail or something, make sure your student email address is forwarded to your favorite email address. You must check your email to succeed in OMIS 351. And if you view the schedule, you can see ahead. You're allowed to work ahead if you want on some of the material. But there are 7 units, each of which are 2 weeks. There's videos, PowerPoint slides, chapter readings. All you have to buy for the course is the textbook, which you can get from the Get Stuff link on the course webpage. Make sure to read the chapters assigned in addition to watching the videos. The participation quiz, you should get a 100%. The answers are often given in the videos. The idea with a participation quiz is to ensure that you have watched the videos, you've thought about the material. You can take this as much as you want within the 2-week period where the unit is live. There's no excuse to not do well on the participation quizzes. There is also a regular quiz for each unit, which is closed book, closed note, not allowed to use a web browser, or you're not allowed to receive help from classmates. These have a time limit, and you only get 1 try. And finally, there are 7 virtual cases throughout the semester. And there's more information about all of this in the syllabus. As mentioned, we are a course in solving business problems with information technology. So first you got to know what it is. So we cover a lot of vocabulary. You've got to know why it matters. So we talk about the managerial relevance of these acronyms and concepts. And then you even get some hands-on opportunities, even going into SAP. A little more explanation here of each. On the class contract, I have over 500 students per semester. You are all treated equally. Please read the syllabus to see how the course policies help you succeed in the class. You have to be able to get an internet connection. You can get those at libraries, at labs at NIU, lots of places if somehow your technology fails you, which I hope it will not. If you ask a basic question, which is on the website, it's possible you'll lose points and not get a response. You want to use me and the TA for your more difficult questions, which we want to help you succeed in the class, but we don't want to answer a question like, where is the course website? You should know that. Here's a longer explanation. And if I go through something too fast in a video, remember you can always use the pause button. You can rewind. You have a lot of good options with the videos. No sense me reading all of this to you. And finally, getting help. If something doesn't make sense, myself and usually a TA, resources are tight, we might lose some teaching assistants, but we expect to have a teaching assistant. Someone will be available via email and synchronously on Blackboard by appointment. Synchronously means talking back and forth at the same time. Additionally, this being the student help system, has proven to be extremely valuable for students to help one another. And so it feeds into your participation grade, and you can get a letter of recommendation from me anytime you want if you get 10 helper points throughout the semester. So how do you do that? Send each other's emails. We'll have a list on the helper system of student email addresses. Give each other points by going into the helper system. And where is the helper system? Right here, lower left of the web page. So please use this as much as possible. It's a great way to help you understand the material and improve yourself as far as your ability to match technology solutions to business problems. So that's a quick hit on the logistics of the class. Again, you should expect that you will succeed if you stay vigilant and diligent. I look forward to the semester with you.